Hello, I am Mr. Bitters and welcome to MrBitters.com. Today we're going to make kind of a concoction of my own. It is the Orange Raspberry Cooler. It's really still hot outside. It's the middle of August, so this is going to be something that you can make at home pretty simply. It doesn't take a lot to do it. First thing you're going to need is mixing tin. Next will be ice, of course, because ice is best for all drinks, because warm drinks aren't fun. So first thing you want to do is add some ice to your tin. About 4 cubes will do the trick. Don't need any more than that. You don't want to water down your drink too much, so go ahead and add your ice in there. Next thing you want to add is raspberry vodka. Now, I choose to use the Burnett's brand. It's about half the cost if you're going to buy a flavored Absolute or a flavored Stoli, and it is absolutely just as good. So I would recommend the Burnett's if you have that in your liquor store, which you should. First thing you want to do is add 1 ounce of your raspberry vodka. And again, using a jigger, because you should always use a jigger. Consistency equals quality. However many times you make a drink, you want to be sure it's always the same. And again, you want to always make sure that you wash out your jigger in between each alcohol. But for time's sake, I'm just going to use multiple jiggers. So we're going to set that one aside. Next thing you want to add is your orange flavoring, which is your triple sec, the Kuiper's brand. So let's go ahead and uncork that and use our next thing. We want to use here is a 1/2 ounce of the triple sec orange liqueur. Measure that out. Pour that into your shaker and set that one aside. So at this point you're done as far as what goes in your mixing tin, because the next ingredient is going to be lemon lime soda. You never want to put soda in a mixing tin and mix it up. Just think about what happens when you have a soda bottle and you shake it up. It gets really messy. So we don't want to mess with that. That's going to be later. So go ahead and add your strainer there to the top. Give that a good mix. Take that off. Go ahead and pour into your glass. All right. So you've got your liquor taken care of. Next, what you want to add is your lemon lime soda. Go ahead and add that into your drink. This is what fills it. All right. So leave a little bit towards the top. You don't want to overfill it because you want the alcohol to soda ratio to be right. So in this glass's case, filled up to the top, it would be off. And to add a little color into it, have some grenadine. Just want to add just a touch of that to the top to give it just a little bit of color. And there you go. An orange raspberry cooler. Perfect for summer. Good cool drink. And that is quite tasty. So I'm Mr. Bitters. So you can find me on MrBitters.com or search Facebook for Mr. Bitters. I'm also on the Twitter. You can get me onto the Twitter at Mr. Bitters. So have a good day, stay cool, and happy mixing.